Okay, I'm going to Morpaeng Waterfall today, so I thought I'd show you a little bit of the journey on the way. Let's go. It's a temple, that's what you call it. So they start off with metal on the outside, they build around it and the clay. I've never actually seen that bit before. So that's interesting. You've got to pay to get everywhere really. And if you're tight, you get it a lot cheaper. Dual pricing. I don't mind because they don't get paid as much as us, obviously. Unless that other place was a bit of a rip-off, 400 to get in, that was a bit much, but we were there, so we had to go. Hey, the car's over our side. Nearly there. Very narrow road, this. Oh, chickens!
You have arrived.
100 baht. Hello. Sawadika. That way. This way.
5-minute walk. Okay.
We go through a tunnel up here. Look at this. Hello, welcome. Oh my goodness. It's a bit steep. Oh my goodness. Coming out the tunnel. So we're going through a tunnel to the waterfall. This seems fun. 100 baht. That was £2.20p or something like that. This is exciting, isn't it? I'm quite liking Pai now. We've moved to this different hotel. No, it's actually now I've got the bike. You don't have to rely on anyone. There we go. Oh, there's people here already. Nobody's swimming, why not? Oh, this is good. Oh my goodness. There's a bridge on top of some bamboo by the looks of it. Look! Yeah, trees for poles, bamboo towed it up, and metal on top of it. Superb. Well, at least it is a bridge. There's no bridge for this bit to get to the next bit. And it says danger up there. I love Thailand, they've put concrete. Oh, it's hilarious. Beware of slippery. Beware of slippery what? Slippery snake? Ah. I can't come here without touching the water. Look at this I just built. I just built this. This is my last final one. Ta-da! Danger, danger. Do not climb on top of the waterfall. Everyone's graffitied all over it, put stickers all over it. Danger, danger. High voltage. Okay, let's see what's over here. Might be leading us to a grizzly bear, a polar bear. Lost, because it definitely would be lost, a polar bear, if it was here. Might be leaving us to Polar Express. That's poles apart. I'm so funny, aren't I? Ha ha ha, boom boom. Oh, it's a way out. It's where we started. But we can go back down that way again. Let's have a look at this little viewpoint bit. Oh my goodness, this is a bit scary, this bit. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. As you know, oh, well, I don't know if you know, but I'm telling you, I'm a bit scared of heights, and this isn't very good for me. Oh my goodness, there's no snakes or spiders. Oh my god. So you must sit up here, dang your legs down, sit there, dang your legs down and eat and drink there. That's the way that's worked. There's a dangly leg bit. Oh my goodness. People actually slide down that. But I haven't bought my gear, so I can't slide down it. I bet if you pull that down, there'll be a spider in it. It looks like a spider tree. Spider branch. I don't actually like this. I'm going down the black hole of death. Dum, 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 dum. I survived! Here we are! And there's nobody here. Take two. Take one, there was people here. Let's see if we know anybody on this list. Let's see if there's any vloggers we know. Is it all about Jesus and all? Not Jesus, sorry. I mean, whatever religion. It's all about religion. Where's... No, there's no vloggers there as I can see. It's all religious stuff. Oh well, I'm sure it means something to somebody. Oh, you'll never walk alone. Ah, maybe people have actually... Ah, people who died, look. Ah, that's it, right. I'll take that back about religious. People have actually passed away. They've got the stickers here. Oh, we haven't passed away here. A flipping waterfall. No, surely not. Anyway, that's the death wall, I'm afraid. There's some steps. I'll ignore them. You can swim in here, but I haven't bought my swimming gear. I'm not sure if you can see that on this camera. It says, welcome to Morpaeng Waterfall. And it says it in Thai as well. Now I'll show you this bit. And I think that's about it. Unless you want to swim, but that water is absolutely freezing. Lovely. And, see if you come back April, June. Oh, it'll be lovely. Because you'll be absolutely roasting. You want to jump in it. Oh, look at this. Wow, more. Beware of slippery. They should have Bon Jovi sign here, shouldn't they, really? Slippery when wet. Wow. Wow. So while you're up here, you can grab yourself something to eat and drink. I'll show you the places if they're open now. I'll show you them, but I don't think I'll be getting something. I'm not actually hungry yet. I'll pop on the way back somewhere and grab something. So you can get food up here. If you've still got any energy left to eat the food. Coconuts, shakes, fruit 1095, soft serve pie. Whew. Still breathing heavy. Hello. Let's have sticky rice, grilled chicken. There you go. You want some food while you're here? Let's have a look at the little map of the place. Map of pie. So where I want to go next is... I can't see it. I'm going to go to another spa, spring spa soon. That's me from Morpaeng Waterfalls. I'll see you at the next place. Goodbye. Thank you, bye bye.